Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. How are you all doing today? I'm wishing you all a beautiful day. And if you are new here to my channel, my name is Miss Bini in America. I'm back again with another video. As you all know, today is a turkey day. I have my turkey right here, and I'm about to just take off everything that they use in packaging it and then do the right thing for this turkey, right? So I'm about to free this turkey from this bag. So yes guys, don't mind my play. However, we're just gonna start preparing our turkey from scratch. So I want to take you guys along with me. So my son is about to join me. He wants to cut the turkey with me. I'm trying to remove the leg from, I don't know how they do it here. It's very tight. Yeah, one done, and then the other one, he's trying to help though. So I just cut it. Yeah, here is our turkey. So we are going to be taking out everything that is inside. You know what I mean, right? See guys, don't think otherwise. That is the neck. Thank you. Yeah, I'm taking off everything inside. I'm trying to clean it now. Yeah, that's the heart. And that is the liver. There's still a little bit of eyes inside. It's just falling out. So I'm gonna clean everything and then we start. Yeah, I take it to clean. I'm just gonna clean it in that basin, and I'm using bottled water, guys. It's okay, you can use your tap water. I just decided to use my bottled water. It's okay. So I'm gonna clean it properly with water, give it the last bath and before it go to my oven. So let's pamper this turkey. So I'm just gonna clean it now with water, clean inside most especially, and remove the fat. Here is it. That's one fat there. Look at the other one. So we're gonna take all of that out of the turkey. I mean, this company, they did a great job. They already cleaned this turkey. There's no much to even do here, but as you all know, I like to, you know, still clean the meat whenever I got it. So I'm using paper towel to clean the water that is in the turkey. Just wipe inside a little bit because there's water inside. I'm cutting one whole onion, white onion. You can use any onion of your choice. And I also cut one lemon, and then now I'm going to add black pepper to the turkey, and then add salt also. I'm a little bit careful with the salt because few of my ingredients already have salt in it, so I don't want it to be too salty. So let's put everything inside this turkey. Yeah, I'm adding lemon as well. Try to arrange it properly, and then we add rosemary. This is fresh rosemary, guys. I mean, you can add any one you have. Push it inside a little bit so that there will be space for other stuff to go in. And then this is another rosemary that I'm about to cut right now. This one is for another purpose. So I'm using 2 sticks of salted butter, and I add garlic to it, and then add salt and black pepper. You can add as much as you want, and then add thyme leaf. So we're gonna be mixing all of this together. And I didn't show you guys when I add the other sticks of butter. When I finish mixing this particular one, I see that it's small for this big turkey, so I add one to it. In case you are wondering, like, oh, I just only saw one butter, it's okay, I add two. Right, so we're gonna rub it inside. Be very careful, just do it gentle. I'm not fast, it's just because I kind of, you know, I'm being careful. All right, so you're just gonna rub it in all over. You just be careful with it. With both sides, you're gonna rub it inside like that, as I'm doing it right now. Inside is done right now. I'm trying to wipe outside because it's a little greasy. So it's time to just rub it on top there. You see why I wipe it? Because the butter is not properly, how do you say? The English is too much. However, so you know why I clean it. So that it'll be easy for me to rub the butter in. Yeah, I transfer it to my, how do you call this? I'll write it on top there. So I'm going to add bay leaf to it. And add some Italian seasoning. This seasoning is amazing. It's really good. It smells so good. And then I add this. This is amazing too. It's really good. Even while you are adding it, you can already smell the turkey, how it's gonna look like. It smells so good, guys. So this particular seasoning is the reason why I did not add too much salt inside the turkey the first time. You know, the first part I add salt to it. Don't worry, sorry about that, guys. So I add salt to it, and I did not add much because of this seasoning, because it has a lot of salt inside. So I'm going to add some Italian seasoning on top of it. Here we go. And I'm taking it to the oven. Be careful, it's very hot. So I put it on 350. So I'm going to cut onion and carrots and celery. This one is to garnish it, to add more flavor to it. Yes, I forgot to add it before I put it inside. Here is our turkey, guys. How do you see this? It looks yummy. Oh my, I'm so excited. Turkey, turkey. My son is saying, Mommy, look at our turkey. I said, yeah, we're about to, you know, do justice to this turkey. Yeah, once again, I thank you all for staying by and for preparing this turkey with me, and for always coming to support my channel. Once again, I'm wishing you all a happy and healthy Thanksgiving to you all. I see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.